welcome and a very good evening. Your evangelist, Mangwende. I've got a new camera. This is a new camera that I'm trying, that I'm testing to see how it works. So, yeah, it's just a very, very short one. And possibly I'm going to delete it after I check it on YouTube to make sure it is working. New camera, a new web camera on the PC to live stream while on the PC. Pane ramangwana ndofunga ndakambotaura pamaconditions angu live and so on kuti I would want to do live various platforms. So now we will be able to do live on Facebook, live on on Instagram, and live on YouTube. We'll get another camera to be able to go live on Twitter. So developments. We are moving slowly towards making our home studio a wonderful place. And tiriuda ibasa ramwari kana mwari wachita kuti zviitike zvinongoitika. And wherever you are, keep on subscribing, sharing with your friends, and also keep on practicing. By the way, I've said, channel pangu, there are things you can try at home. These things, you can try them at home. They do not harm you. They don't cause any harm to you. They actually will improve the quality of your life. So let us keep on practicing. Let us keep on praying. Let us keep on practicing mindfulness prayer, and let us keep on hoping. And please stay safe. Please stay safe. Wear a mask. And by the way, there is a new suggestion or new, how can I put it, recommendation from Center for Disease Control, the United States of America and United Kingdom and the world over is going to follow suit and encourage to wear that. If you are going out into public places, wear double mask, surgical mask, then you put on another closely woven fabric mask. That has been proved to effectively reduce transmission of the virus from one person to the other or getting it from the other person. So let us start the double mask campaign and fight against this disease. We want summer. We want summer. Kuti tinge tichikwanisa kubuda panze tichifamba tichifarana neshamwari muzuva. And please, those people who live in areas dzisina zuva rakakwana, especially in Europe, let us try, especially in winter, to beef up our vitamin D levels and vitamin C levels by taking supplements. They won't harm you. Just take the normal cheap over the counter, go to Tesco's, to Lidl, or to whichever shop that you fancy in favor. Buy vitamin C, buy vitamin D as complement supplements to your immune system. They will boost your immune system. And please, this is not treatment, but this is to help boost your immune system, especially in winter. And especially those people working from home, it is very critical and very important because we are not exposing ourselves to a lot of sunshine. So our vitamin D levels might go down, and possibly due to restrictions and so on, our intake of fruits where we normally get vitamin C is also limited. So boosting this up will improve your immune system. So top up, and double masking when we are going out to crowd areas, and sanitizing our hands and keeping that personal distance, that physical distance, 2 meters apart. that will help us. And please get vaccinated. Get vaccinated. Let us not shy away from these vaccines because they are going to significantly reduce infection rates. They are also going to reduce significantly the suffering that is caused by that disease. Significantly reduce. Yes, the vaccines, people are saying that are supposed to pave the corona. Let's say, okay, pave the corona, but they will significantly or remarkably reduce the suffering. And especially those people who are already vulnerable. So let us double mask, surgical mask at the bottom, on top, fabric neatly woven, closely woven, fabric on top, and let us prevent. We want a summer. We want to go out next summer, and that let us get vaccinated. That such case, side effects. Some of them we are calling them side effects, but they are not actually side effects. This is the way vaccines work. This is the way the body responds when we are vaccinated. Don't go feverish, but that is a good sign. It shows your body is responding. The immune system is doing what it is supposed to do. But if the worst comes to the worst, if things are, getting worse, please contact your GP or go to A&E and get yourself attended to. But let us keep on fighting. Let us keep on praying. Let us keep on. Let us keep on. Let us keep on. Let us keep on. Let us keep on praying, and let us keep on believing that this will work. This will work. And this too shall pass. And God is on our side. If God is on our side, who can be against us? Not even diseases can be against us. We will win this fight, and victory is certain. A luta continua against COVID-19. Until we meet again, God bless you. And yes, thank you.